Hello, welcome back to YouTube channel. So in this particular video, we will guide you through the process of fixing the power button on your docking HP docking station if you are experiencing issue with the power button not working. So this step-by-step tutorial will provide you some necessary step troubleshooting for and resolve the problem, and we will cover some common issue causes and demonstrate how to troubleshoot and fix it. So follow along and regain control over your docking station power button. Now let's begin. But before that, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe our YouTube channel for more latest video in the future. Now first we have to connect dock to AC power. Find the power cord that came into your docking station, and now you have to insert your power cord into the power input port on the docking station. So then after plugging the other end to the power cord into the working AC power outlet. So press the power button on the dock to see if it's turned on. And now you have to look for any power indicated light on the dock to confirm that it is receiving power. So connect your laptop or device or to the docking station to test functionality. Now we are going to the solution to upgrade your dock firmware. First, you have to simply go into HP website, and now you have to locate the firmware update file for your specific docking station model. Simply, you have to type your model number or HP support, and we have to go into the system and drivers, and now we have to selecting the other option. Then we have to type your docking station number. Like in the backside of this, you have to find your HP serial number in this section. Like these are the option HU265MB. These are the some serial number. They are the device in the beside of the device printed. So you can type on this. That's all. After you have to type there are the option is downloading your file. You have to that's how you can update your firmware in docking station. Download the latest driver for your docking station and follow the on-screen instruction to install them. After installation, restart your system. Then check if the power button functionality has been restored or not. If not, we are going to the solution for check BIOS setting. First, you have to restart your laptop, then press the appreciate key, usually F10 or F12 or X or delete. Immediately upon to startup, enter the BIOS. The specific key can vary depending on your laptop model. First, you have to use the arrow key to navigate through the BIOS setting, then check the setting related to docking station functionality such as docking station power control or boot option or advanced docking. So when you find the setting that are related to your docking station, ensure they are enabled to configure correctly, then save any changes you made easily by pressing F10 and exit the BIOS. So these are the simple solutions you have to take in when you see your HP docking station power button not working. And I hope this video is very helpful for your issue, and we will catch you in our next video. Thank you for watching our video.